It's Benny Locke, the tall blonde one, plays fly half for his club team.
Really? So is this just like an invitational side you guys have seen?
Yeah, so it's they represent Illinois.
Okay.
And so Chicago.
How's the rugby developing up in the States?
It's good. It's just we get the players very late. So they're 16, 15, and
then, yeah.
So. So we have all these rugby academies they get the 6 and 7 year olds in earlier.
Get involved, yeah.
Because if you don't get them, they go into football or other sports.
No, sure. And like the club level and stuff for the older people?
The thing is, it's very good. It's just, like when I played for Belmont, I think we had 3 Americans on the team.
Oh, really?
So that's the problem. When I try to select the...
But I mean, is there financial backing to get players?
Every club has one guy that's wealthy. Yeah. So he kind of funds the thing.
Talking in defence! Where are we talking?
The teams with some good structure.
Yeah, we try.
D!
There's our foul.
No fullback penalty if you don't have to corner flag if they make a break or something. So there we're better.
It's one of yours.
No, I don't know who that is.
So waar het jy gespeel in Suid-Afrika?
I played. I'm from Northern Province, if you're. Yeah, but far north. So.
Verder north.
Yeah. And then I went to Tuckies, and I started playing, and I got involved with the Blue Bulls under 19 and stuff. And then from there I decided to come overseas a bit and just travel and play. So.
And Arno Botha.
Yeah.
I know his dad.
Yeah.
I don't know him myself.
Arno Botha's brother, Andries, played Craven Week with me.
Okay, so it's your year, okay.
Yeah. Arno's younger than us, so his older brother played Craven Week with me. Him and I were the 2 scrum halves.
Open the line! Together! The line! Line! The line! Defend together, boys! Come on!
Which line?
Hey, what?
It's working, mate. The picking guys are working.
Josh! Josh! Josh!
Which one?
Come on then, let's get on it! I think number 16 is that number 6? Number 16. So we'll go where we end. Let's get on it now! Everybody up! Give him his kick! Give him his kick! And on it! It's going to carry! What's all? Oh, good turnover, boys! Come on, Ross! Yes, Steve! Slowly! Slowly!
Say we first time this afternoon, do you think windows in them flats every Sunday afternoon?
Nah.
Alright.
It's too hot. Anyways, it's about
Come on, Rob, drive on!
Was that a chip and chase?
Bobby! Who's with him? Who's with him? Go on now! Good lad!
Mark it, I got it. One play.
Get to it, mate! Come on!
Guys, like!
You saw today is a oh my god, that guy took it. Safety first.
Good job, John!
Matt, come here.
What's happened? What's happened?
Nothing.
You've got a little sugar daddy.
Get up! You're supposed to be keeping it out, haven't you?
Tell Ollie and Tom, back row.
Till they come.
Your eyes on it.
Oh,
I know. I know.
Oh my God. No, it's full of flesh. It's not full of flesh.
Much ball. Reese! Is it open? Reese! Next time they showboat, smash it through.
So again, get the ball.
Oh, sorry.
Thanks, man.
Don't let him take the piss.
There's another one.
We need to shoot it.
Where are they?
They're getting the stuff on, they're just at the bottom now.
Are they ready? Just making a change, Robbie. Sorry, I'm a bit late. Hurry up, are you ready? 7 or 7 and 8. Get under his kick off.
Yes, Lord, join them!
Yeah, come in.
Play on, come on! Five! Thank you, sir.
Right, come on, get to it! Come on, Rob! Pressure! Come on, Rob! Down in, tap and go! And go down! Go balls out, come on! Come on! Well done, Paul! Well done, Paul! Yeah, like a charge down there. Because if it's him in then.
Twice last season or something.
Come on, Rob! Pressure, Rob! He's gone to 8.
Dino's going to
Push!
Come on! You've got a second chance, don't waste it! It's the post. If it is the pass, it's your back. Yes!